Hey everybody, welcome back and thank you for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can restore and refresh your braided wig. Let's get into it. So for starters, this wig was sent back to me from a customer to get restored and refreshed. She's had it for a couple of months and she wanted to just get it freshened up. So this is a full lace knotless wig. The method that I'm about to show you, you can use this for any type of braided wig that you have. So for hers, it wasn't really that bad. She didn't have a lot of buildup on the lace or anything like that. So this was an easy clean. So I just start off by getting the wash bowl prepared. You want to use not hot water and not cold water. You want to use like a lukewarm temperature for the water. So that's what I'm doing right here. I decided to use Design Essentials Deep Cleansing Shampoo for this wig because she did not have a lot of buildup on the wig or on the actual braids or anything. So I did not need to do a lot of scrubbing or manipulation on the actual wig. So just take a little bit of the shampoo, stir it in and mix it in with the water, and then next I'm going to show you the proper way that you want to cleanse your wig. Keep watching. So after your water is prepared and your shampoo is mixed in thoroughly, you want to just take the wig and place it into the water. Just gently press it down into the water. At this point, you're not going to do any scrubbing with any comb or anything like that. Place the wig in the water and let it sit and just let it soak for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much cleansing the wig is going to need. This is the wig after about 45 minutes. I let it soak and now I'm just giving it a gentle squeeze. But as you can see, this wig is cleansing very easily. It doesn't look like she used any type of glue or tape or anything like that, which is good. So at this point, I'm just going to continue to let it soak. Throughout this process, I will drain the water and refill the bowl a couple of times until it's cleansed to my satisfaction. Keep in mind that once you begin to wash your wig, you're going to see a lot of stuff in the water, and most of that is going to be product that was used to make the wig. So whenever you get ready to shampoo your wig, you are going to see all of that product coming out. Edge control, hairspray. It could be some makeup if you've used makeup, but most of that you see is going to be just products coming out of the wig, which is what you want. Be sure to turn the wig inside out as you begin to manipulate, and make sure that you're not doing too much scrubbing and rubbing because you don't want to compromise the integrity of the braids or the style. The next step is going to be the drying process. I would suggest for you to invest in a wig drying head if you don't already have one. If you own braided wigs, this is the perfect solution for drying, because the last thing that you want is for water to sit up in your wig, bacteria grow, smells, and you just don't want it to be nasty inside of your wig, especially by it being braids or twists or locks or whatever type of braided wig that you have. This is going to be perfect, and it's going to give you insurance that your wig is dry from the inside out. This is what I use for all of my wigs. The wig drying head does come with some little alligator clips that you use. You clip it onto the wig and it keeps the wig on the head without sliding off. This is going to be linked below. So if you're interested in purchasing one, click the link below and it will take you directly to the site where you can purchase a wig drying head. It's also going to come with a band that you use to hold the blow dryer in place, so you don't have to worry about the blow dryer falling out. It's very secure. It's going to hold the blow dryer. It's going to hold the wig. It's going to dry the wig. Click the link below and go purchase a wig drying head. So I'm pretty sure that this is the next day. And what I do is I go through the entire wig and I see which braids need to be taken out. I always take the braids out on the front. No matter what, I always take the braids out in the front and redo them so that the front looks completely fresh. This customer did ask for some color to be added into her wig, so I'm going to be doing that also. I think I have a clip adding in the color. But if you don't know how to braid, if you're not that good at it, then I suggest that you skip this step and just try to slick it down and make it look as neat as possible. But if you can braid, you know, you can take down the front row, maybe take out a few more baby hairs if you need to, and just refresh those braids in the front. Because the lace is already cut, you want to be very gentle and careful as you're rebraiding that front row of braids. Don't do a lot of pulling, tugging. Don't braid it too tight. Just use a light touch and be very gentle as you're refreshing those braids across the front. Originally, this wig, the ends were straight, but when the customer sent the wig back to me, I seen that she had curled the ends, so I wanted to give her the same look that she was going for. So all I did was put a rubber band around the about midway of the braid, and then I'm just gonna braid that down all the way down to the end, and then I just use a medium-sized rod and curl those ends back up for her. To secure those curls, I'm just going to boil some water and dip those ends, and then that's going to make the curls. In the process of me making this wig, I received a package that I was so excited to get. I've just never invested in a Glam Mannequin, and I decided to go ahead and purchase one, and I do not regret it at all. The person I bought this from is Key Nicole, Glammies by Key Nicole. You can find her on Instagram. I will put her link below. But I am so in love with this glam doll that I purchased. It really does give my business a better look. I've only been in this game for 2 years, so I'm slowly getting better, and I'm just trying to make steps towards progress and making everything look more professional. And this glam doll is just so perfect, and I'm so in love with it. So this is how the wig turned out. I love the color choice. I just love everything about it. It's beautiful on the mannequin. The wig is beautiful. The curls makes it so much more beautiful. And I really enjoy doing this refresh. Here are some pictures included. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting my business in any way. Your shares, your likes, your comments, everything is seen and everything is appreciated. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.